Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran Business Platform. This is Parvati Pillai and today let's learn about a business idea that is not just innovative but is also cost effective, and that is the dried flower business. Now, we all must not be aware, but flower production is one of the fastest growing crop trends in agriculture. There is a strong demand for all types of flowers, especially the ones that are unique and hard to grow. Dry flowers are also called everlastings because they last so long even when dried. So if you are an individual looking for a compelling business idea, then this one's for you. So let's understand what this business is all about. It basically involves the collection of fresh flowers which are dried in such a way that they don't lose much color and fragrance. These are then packed and sold in the markets according to their demands and is one of the most profitable industries in the world. Now the questions arise are how to start this business, where to start this business, and how can one gain maximum profits from its production. Now the success of your dried flower business will largely depend on the demand in the local community. So it is important that you conduct a proper market research and collect as much information as possible to know the size of your market, your competitors, and the future potential of your business. The primary demand for dried flowers comes from event planners, craft shops, antique shops, and individuals who are interested in decorating their interiors. So you must have a network of resellers to promote your dried flower items. The next step is to learn on how to produce dried flowers. It starts with identifying the suitable crops because some flowers lose their ornamental value after drying. So after selecting the appropriate ones, you step on to the next stage, which is harvesting. Usually flowers are harvested just before they are fully open and the color has not faded. Flowers harvested at a fully open stage takes less time for drying than those which are harvested at a tight bud or half open stage. Then comes the last process, which is drying. The quality and appearance of dried flowers are greatly influenced by the method of drying. There are various techniques involved which mainly includes press drying, embedded drying, oven drying, freeze drying, etc. in the dried flower business. Now, one of the primary reasons for setting up a dried flower business is the fact that you can easily start it right from your home. You can also use your own garden as the initial source for the flowers to be dried and sold. Moreover, if you are a professional who is already running a floral business, then you can definitely take this up as your second source of entrepreneurship. You must pay attention to the flower's quality and focus on niche marketing. This type of crop can be grown efficiently and will determine what you can offer the market. Apart from that, the market price and demand will determine what can be grown profitably. Dried flowers are an absolutely appealing method to make events and functions memorable. This can also be done from preserving the garlands used at weddings and gifts. Now, it is to be noted that India is the largest exporter of dry flowers due to their varieties. Export of dry flowers and plants from India is about 100 crore rupees per year, and the industry exports 500 varieties of flowers to 20 countries. Not only flowers come under this business, but dry stems, seeds and buds are also used in it. Dried flower farming can not only be commenced by youngsters but also by experienced farmers who can easily generate an extra source of revenue by devoting a small piece of their land, effort and time. That's all for today. For more updates on agri news, stay tuned with Krishi Jagran Business.